Well, hey, how are you? I know it's been a little while. I am so excited to be able to start this new show for you. Did you know? The Esko HVAC show, where we dive into topics every week that are not always covered in the HVAC industry. Things that really make a difference in how we see the industry as a whole. We will talk to industry professionals all the way from the top, where we make our changes in regulations and then we need compliance to those regulations and what it looks like when we move into manufacturing. Just got to remember, there are a lot of changes happening right now, like A2L refrigerants, A3 refrigerants, and SEER2 ratings, a whole lot of changes happening at one time. And you need a source to gain that information and have an understanding before it really hits the ground. That's where we all come into play. Here at the Esko team, we have a vast array of HVAC professionals that are here to be able to bring these topics to you in a fun and enjoyable way. We'll talk about how that affects the distribution network, because now we're looking at flammable and slightly flammable refrigerants that will affect the way we handle and transport equipment. We'll also need to update all of our curriculum so that we have up-to-date content in our classrooms to make sure that all of our educators are well trained on these new changes as they are happening. That way, our contractors and our students and technicians can have a better feel of the changes in the industry and not be stuck out in the unknown zone where we don't know about the things until they're in our hands. We want to make sure that you have the opportunity to see these things right before they get to you and have an understanding for them as they're rolling out in the industry. So make sure to join us as we dive into these deep topics every week on Did You Know? The Esko HVAC Show.